Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kenny. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and if you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave nice comments in the comment section below. I know I've been gone forever on here. Life has been life, and nothing bad happened, honestly. I've just been really busy with living life that I completely forgot about YouTube, basically. So I'm trying my best to. I've been procrastinating that I'll start coming back gradually. It's the right time now. I need to get my things together and just get back in here, because I don't feel like I know how to do YouTube anymore. Anyways, today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be coloring my hair. Okay, I'm going to be dyeing it this beautiful honey blood color. There's something about autumn or the cold months that just wants me want to color my hair. I don't know if that's right. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna jump into the video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and leave me nice comments in the comment section below. Like I said, hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, so let's get into coloring this hair. As usual, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature box dye in the color Honey Blonde. I'm going to be using 3 boxes of the dye, and as usual, the dye comes with 3 products, which is numbered 1 to 3. So we've got the cream color developer, we've got the actual color itself, and the moisturizing hair mask or the conditioning mask that you're supposed to use after doing it. Anyways, I'm going to be mixing the color in the developer bottle for easy application, just as it says in the instruction. And I'm gonna give the bottle a good shake after covering it. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing with the 3 bottles, just as it says in the instruction. So I'm gonna make sure I shake everything together to make sure the developer and the color is well mixed. And I'm gonna get a pair of scissors and just snip off the head of the bottle. And that's the instruction line there. If you are doing it for the first time, I would advise you read the instruction, but because I've done it a couple of times, I'm pretty much used to it. So I'm gonna start putting the color in my hair. So like I said, I'm gonna be using the 3 bottles as usual. These 3 bottles is enough to color my hair. So just to make it easy for me to work with, I'm gonna put in my hair in sections. So I'm going to start with the back section. I forgot to use hand gloves, then I went back to get a hand glove, which comes with the dye, by the way. So I'm just going to start applying it to the root of my hair, because that is where I want the color the most. As you can see, the tip of my hair is already colored, so I just want the root of my hair to take the most. And yes, I'm going to make sure I put my hair in subsection and just work it in. This always reminds me of relaxer days, like how I would put relaxer in my hair. So just the same thing, putting the color generously across the root of my hair and just making sure that there's enough of the product. I work it in, and then I go into subsection to make sure every bit of my hair is colored. I've made mistakes in the past whereby I missed some places in my hair, so this time around I'm making sure I'm doing my due diligence to just subsection my hair and work it in and make sure every part is colored. As you can see, I'm leaving the end of my hair for now. Like I said, I want the root of my hair to take the color the most. Then I'm applying more products to like around my edges and where I've put the path, because those are the places that are easily missed when I'm coloring my hair from past mistake. Then I take the rest of the product, then I'm now putting it on the end of my hair, and just generously, and I'm just applying all the product. Like I don't want to waste anything. I want everything in my hair, because I just feel that the more the product, the more it will take in my hair. I don't know if that works that way. So I'm going to keep my hair covered like this for about 45 minutes. I'm using the plastic cap, just 2 of it, because I've got big head and big hair, and I'm removing any excess on my face. 5 minutes. So 45 minutes pass, and let's all see what we've cooked. Oh my goodness, this was like flow of foresight for me. I love this color. It was just so beautiful, like exactly what I was going for is this color. I just wanted it to really match my skin tone, and that is exactly what I've got. And so I'm just checking to make sure everywhere is damp and wet. And so that's basically my hair colored. Right now I'm going to hop in the shower to rinse off the color and use a moisturizing shampoo to wash it off. because we've done some damages to this hair, I always go ahead to do Olaplex treatment after coloring my hair. Like, I don't skip it at all. I've been looking for an alternative to Olaplex, but I'm just so scared that if you use something different and it doesn't work like Olaplex in my hair, my hair is going to damage, and I don't want to experiment with it. So if you've used any other bond protector and you feel like it works just like Olaplex, please leave it in the comment section below for me. I would love to try it. Anyways, I'm applying Olaplex generously in my hair, the number 3 hair perfector, to repair any damage that I might have done to my hair during the process of coloring it. And then I'm going to cover this as well and leave it in my hair for another 45 minutes, even longer if I can. I'm just going to go about my day and come back to wash this off. So this is my hair after rinsing off the Olaplex hair. So the next wash day, I use a purple shampoo. I'm going to put a clip over here so you can see, to make sure that my color is protected. That's why I've been using a purple shampoo and a moisturizing hair mask regularly, just to make sure my color is protected and my hair is heavily moisturized and no damage. Anyways, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a nice comment in the comment section. But if you have any question, any video suggestion, leave it below and I would get to it. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.